ไปเลยเทียบกับ4 5
Hello and welcome back to Camping with Emmy. I'm Denise. Welcome to part 2 of the bedroom makeover in our camper. We have all of the flooring installed now. It's all done. And we ran it underneath the bed, and then we were able to bring the bed frame in and screw it down and secure it to the floor, and then get our mattress out here. So the floors turned out beautifully. All the walls have been painted. We got our piece of trim up that went around that corner. And what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be installing the doors and the drawers. And after I do that, I'm going to be putting a coat of wax on them, just like I did for the kitchen cabinets and the cabinet in the bathroom. I think that the wax works really well to help seal the paint and make it a little bit more durable so that you can, wipe it off if you get any dirt or scuff marks or anything on it. I purchased these curtains from Home Goods, and I got 2 sets, so that will equal 4 panels altogether, and each set was only $19.99, so I thought that that was a very good price. Sometimes it's more cost effective to purchase curtains that are already done than it is to buy material to actually make them. And what I really like about these is that they have a really nice organic quality and look to them, which is kind of the theme that I have going throughout this camper. It's mostly white, but it has a little bit of gray going through it, but it has these beautiful little leaves and things that go through it. And I just thought this would really complement all of the other things that we've done in the camper so far. And I have 4 windows to do. I have the 3 windows here in the bedroom area that I'm going to make with this material, and also the big window above the banquette will also have curtains. purchased these really cool wall decals on Amazon so that I can do an accent wall here in the bedroom. So I'm going to be just draping it from the ceiling and have it come down. It kind of looks like an ivy, and it's very organic looking, which I think will go really well with everything else that I have done in the camper so far. So I can't wait to see how this is going to look once it's up on the walls. Okay, so we're going to open this up and see how this looks. It looks really cute online. Hopefully it looks just as nice in person once I get it up. We'll see. Oh, they're individually wrapped. See if I can get one out of here. It's kind of a warm day today, so I have the windows open in the camper, and it's windy. So you may hear the wind. There's nothing I can really do about that. Okay, so here we go. This is what this looks like. Oh, this is going to look pretty neat. So these are the decals, and you just peel them off and stick them on. So I'm going to start this project, and hopefully it turns out great. I think it will. And it's all done. My wall decals are up, and I think that they look beautiful. I'm so glad that I decided to do this project. I will admit that it was a little bit tricky to do with working with a curved ceiling and then that piece of trim that goes about halfway through and then cutting around the window and having to piece it down below. It's a little bit trickier than if I was just doing a straight flat wall, but it wasn't bad. You know, I actually found this fun. This is the first wall decals I've ever done, and I'm really glad that I took a chance on these because I think they turned out really nice. I just used a credit card to smooth it out once I basically got it in place, and I used an X-Acto knife to trim around the windows, and then I used a pair of scissors to cut around the hooks where the curtain rods are going to go into the wall. So basically those were all the supplies I needed for this project. for the bedroom reveal. And the bedroom is finally done. And I couldn't be more pleased. I think it turned out beautifully. I love, love, love everything about this room. And the decals for the walls, that was like $20 on Amazon for 3 rolls. This was 3 rolls worth. So the really cute quilt and pillow shams I purchased on Amazon, and seriously, the set was like $30. And I'm thinking, what am I going to get for $30? I don't know. This might not look very good, but actually, I am really, really happy with it. And I think it works out perfectly in this camper. This really adorable Roughing It little tapestry, I bought at a local flea market months ago, and I knew exactly where I wanted to put it in this camper once I was able to get it finished. So I have also here a set, part of my set of Nancy Drew mystery books. And what camper would not be complete without having something vintage like this in it? In all of the rooms in my house, I have some vintage pieces and antique pieces, and I need some in the camper too. And what better book to read at night before you go to sleep after camping than one of these awesome, awesome books. This was the first series of chapter books that I ever read in 4th grade. I read every Nancy Drew book that our library had, and then I went on to the Hardy Boys. In our next video, I'm going to do the final reveal of the entire camper. And I can't wait to do this. I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun to see what it looked like in the beginning, during the whole process, and then the final result. And I cannot wait to share it all with you. So on behalf of Rick and Emmy and myself, thank you so much for watching today's episode. We really appreciate it, and have a great day.